Hello everybody, this is FAHIMA HAQUE with you, and I would like to welcome you all back to my channel. In today's video, as you already know from the title, I'm going to show you how I bleach my skin. How I bleach my eyebrows. So I think it's been 2 months since I haven't bleached or done anything on my eyebrows, and I'm just applying makeup and over that makeup and the makeup again just to create that shape. But today I'm bleaching my eyebrows again, and I think this is a good time to show everyone how I actually bleach my eyebrows, because some of you have been requesting me on my Instagram as well. So before I head on to the main topic of the video, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. I upload a new video every Thursday and occasionally on the other days if I'm productive enough. So let's go. First thing first, bleaching is optional and it's absolutely a personal choice, and you should use it only and only if your skin is able to tolerate all the chemicals that is available. Of course, you know that bleaching is 100% chemical use on your skin, so you must be very cautious when you're using that on your face, especially somewhere around the eyes, right? Eyebrows. So the product that I use for bleaching my skin is this one, and this is Jolene Cream Bleach Lightens Dark Hair. And I actually didn't want to buy this whole big packet, and I wanted to buy one small thing as the first ever bleaching product that I have bought. So I wanted to buy something really small when I went to Lulu, and I didn't find, and this is the only big size that I found. So I was like, okay, let's try it, and this costed me more than 4 BD and less than 5 BD, and I sort of regretted it. I was like, I'm just trying to test a product. Why do I have to buy this whole pack and this big one when I can buy maybe a smaller one? Yes, they do have a smaller size, but I did not get it when I went to Lulu. So anyways, when I bought this and I used it, trust me, I went off all my regrets that I really had, and I'm thankful that I bought this one, and this was in good price. I mean, less than 5 BD is a really good price, and you can use it for I think 2 years. I mean, I use it once a month, and it's a really small amount that I use. Like, it's just a tiny bit that I use just for my eyebrows. If you're like bleaching your whole body, that's a different thing. Maybe it's gonna get over in like a month or what. When you open it, there's actually 2 different products inside, and one is the cream and the other is the accelerator. So actually the accelerator is powder type and the cream is of course the cream type, and you should be using both together at the same time for getting the result. Inside the packet you also get one small spatula with which you can mix the bleach that you're gonna apply, and also of course you have the direction paper that with which you can follow and apply the bleach. And you have to use it 1 by 2, and you have to use like around you take 1 spoon of the accelerator, you have to take 2 spoons of the cream. That's how it goes. So the ratio is basically 1 by 2. But before you start applying the product, make sure you do a patch test, which is you can mix a very small little amount and apply the mixture behind the ears and wait for 48 hours. If you don't see any reaction from that, you can proceed with that on your skin or eyebrows. But if you get any reaction, then I really recommend do not continue using the product. Just ignore that. Bleaching is not for you. As simple as that. So when I actually use the product, I take a very little amount from accelerator and double of that from the cream, and I mix it all together. And I really don't like to use any steel or any silica stuff to, you know, mix the product, because I think it's bleach and it's chemical, so I don't want to take risk on anything, you know, like anything. Already I'm putting it on my face, so not risking on anything. So anyways, right now I'm using a Pringles cap that you see when you buy Pringle chips, and yeah, so I'm using that and I'm taking the amount and I'll be mixing it thoroughly. Next, when you're about to apply it on your eyebrows, make sure that your eyebrows are very clean. And I always start cleaning my eyebrows using Vitabril Lemon Facial Cleanser, and this is something that you get in Lulu at the same time. I think most of the shopping that I do is actually from Lulu. Anyways, I take a small amount in the cotton pad and I will gently remove any dust particles or anything that is available on my eyebrows. So I'll be removing everything thoroughly, and then I'll be proceeding to the next step of bleaching. For the next step, I'll be using a liner pencil, and right now I'm using a black liner. You can use actually any liner, but it should be visible so that you can follow the guidelines. So using the liner, I'm just gonna slightly make a shape of my desired eyebrow shape that I'm looking for, and I'm gonna make a shape out of it. And for today, I'm actually trying to make my eyebrows a little angled than I regularly do. As you can see in my other videos before, I'm trying to make it a little angled than it used to be. So yeah, So for applying the bleach around my eyebrows, I'll be using a flat brush, as you can see, and with the help of that brush I'm gonna take small amount of the product and I'll gently apply it around my eyebrows, as you can see. And you have to apply an even layer, but you don't have to start by applying a lot at one spot. You can just gently guideline your amount, and eventually later on you can apply the even layer that you're trying for. And I leave the bleach on my eyebrows for around 10 minutes and not more than 15 minutes. And I actually start using the countdown from the time I start my application, giving it another 1 minute extra in my hand. After 10 to 12 minutes of the application, I'm gonna be using a facial towel, and here I'll be using 24 Fashion facial towel, and I love this one. It came in 3 pieces, by the way, and it costed me around 1 BD, I think, and I'm using it since then. Anyways, so I'll be using this facial towel and I'll be damping it in the water, as you can see. And with the damp towel, I'll be starting with the eyebrow that I started applying first. So I started applying with this eyebrow first, and so I'm gonna wipe it off. And make sure you don't let the bleach get nearby your eyes. I mean, if you're wiping it from here, make sure you take the product away from your eyes. Do not bring it down, like, you know, do not do like this to bring the product down. You should take it away from the eyes because you definitely don't want to harm your eyes with all those chemicals and no, not happening. Anyways, and after you removed, if you feel that it's not perfectly bleached as you expected, then you can apply the mixture for another maximum 5 minutes and then remove it immediately, and you're gonna get the desired hair look that you're looking. Hair look, eyebrow look that you're looking for. Oh god, what am I saying? So every time I use something to mix the mixture of the bleach, I make sure that I throw it away just how I throw away the toxic people from my life. What I personally like to do is, after I bleach my eyebrows, I really don't want to apply any product or anything around my eyebrows or something for at least 1 hour. Some people might go longer, some people might start doing it immediately or something, but I personally like to take a break of at least 1 hour. And after 1 hour, I'm gonna start shaping my eyebrows just like a beautiful shaped angled eyebrow. And that is it on how I bleach my eyebrows. And actually, I don't know if I explained it better, but if you have any question or something, you can always leave it in the comment section below and I will definitely reply to it. And if you want, you can personally message me on my Instagram at FAHIMA HAQUE, and make sure you follow me as well. And also, please make sure you subscribe to my channel right here and hit the notification bell so that every time I upload a video, you can be notified before anybody else. And also make sure you watch these 2 videos. Bye bye.